everybody. I'm going to show you how to log into the Upendo networking software. All you have to do is click the login link. In this case, it happens to be in the top right. If you haven't visited the site recently, all the protected pages have security built in. Don't worry about it. That view is supposed to happen. Once you're on the login page, simply use the Upendo simple authentication and enter the email address that we have for you. So in this case, I entered solutions@upendoventures.com and you click send code. At this point, a code will be in your inbox in just a few moments. Once the email arrives, just open it. If you want to, feel free to trust the sender, so that way you always have the logo, but all you have to do is copy the code and then paste it into the form. Remember login, so you don't have to do it as often, and click login and you're in. That's all there is to it. That's how you log in. Have a great day.